In this video, I am going to show you how to clone yourself like a boss. All you need is camera, whether that be a DSLR or your smartphone. You also need tripod, computer and Vegas Pro software. Now find your stationary background and make sure that there aren't any moving objects in the scene. And set up your tripod and attach your camera to it. Make sure that your camera is located in the same place when capturing all of those video clips. I already recorded 2 sample videos from the same position. Now I import them in Vegas Pro. This is the first one and this is the second one. I just select these 2 and import this. Alright, so let's play the first one. But before this time I just delete this audio track. Let's play this clip. So this is the first one. And this is the second one. Alright, to make them together, I just simply this time drag the second video clip under the first one and select this first video clip. And then click on this event plan crop icon. Now under position, check this mask and select this anchor creation tool. And then just masking this baby like this way. And this time I expand this path and fade type I select both and feather. And feather I set it in 10. And this one seems to be perfect. And yes, we are done. Let's play this clip. So in this way, you can easily clone yourself like a boss using Vegas Pro. Very easy, right? Thank you so much for watching.